You just found the 2021 Audi Q3. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a stylish, capable Q3 that offers a spirited driving experience, all-wheel drive, premium materials and craftsmanship, and an impressive suite of the latest tech to keep you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, backup camera, power passenger seat, power liftgate, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, heated front seat, power driver seat. Capability meets premium luxury in this remarkable Q3. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.